The first step in measuring your pond's depth is preparing your measuring device. Now you don't have to be fancy here. At the shop, we use a measuring tape and a weight to properly gauge your depth. An even more rudimentary way to do this is to grab a brick, tie a rope to it, and make knots at 1 foot increments. The next step in measuring your pond is preparing your recording device. A clipboard and a piece of paper works perfectly. What you are going to want to do is copy the outline of your pond onto the piece of paper and create a grid over top of the pond. Here we have the outline of our pond overlaid with the grid. The more intersection points on your grid, the more accurate your pond depth reading will be. For the next step, we'll move to the body of water. Use your measuring device to gauge the depth at the different intersection points you created earlier. After recording the intersection points, find the deepest point and make note of the max depth and the location of the max depth. This is important for installation of the system. Here we have our final product. After adding all of our measurements, we get 77.77 feet. Because there was 22 measurements, we divide by 22 and we get our average depth of 3.53 feet.